Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this pink tree hanging oval sign. I simply adore this project. I think the pink tree is super cute, and I know pink normally isn't a Christmas color, but I really think it should be because this project turned out really adorable and really has me in the Christmas spirit. The first thing you are going to do is paint the MDF tree in a pink paint. Make sure you cover the front and the sides of the tree. Once the paint completely dries, you will go back once again and paint a second coat. Next, you will add your MDF tree to the oval hanging sign. Next, we are going to apply the vinyl to the sign. You will first take a craft scraper, apply pressure to the top of the vinyl, and then peel the top piece of paper, taking the vinyl with it. You will then place the vinyl in the bottom right. Once it looks placed where you want it, you will press down and then apply more pressure with the craft scraper. Slowly lift up that top piece of paper, making sure that the vinyl is adhered to the sign. If it's not, you can always go back and apply more pressure with the craft scraper. Next, you are going to add wood beads to the top of the wood tree. You want it to look like it is garland that is hanging from the tree. You are going to do 3 lines of it. Make sure that each one is sort of drooping from one end to the other. You will then take glue and glue down each individual wood bead in place. After the glue has dried, your sign is now ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.